nigga, summertime round '09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What's going on, my good people? It's Emoneyshoes here. Like to say a shout out to everyone. We just wrapped up the first season of Hon.Hi. Congratulations to the first season's winner, Black Ass African. Congratulations to all the participants who participated in the show. And thanks very much to Money Run Clothing. Also, special shout out to I Am That Dude for giving me that music on the intro. Like I said, go check him out, sub up to him. I'll put his information in the description as well. Also, Money Run Clothing, shout out to you, bro, for sponsoring the show. I will put his information in the description as well. Make sure you use that Do What You Like code to get that 20% off. All of that good stuff will be in the information. If you want to get in on the next season of Hon.Hi 2, make sure you DM me E_money_shoes on IG, or you can DM PM Kicks, my partner in crime, or 313 Retro Queen on IG as well. Real quick before I jump right into the review, because a lot of people said too much gibberish, so I don't want to be boring you with all of this. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, become a member of the Money Squad, and you hit that notification bell. Anytime I drop a vid, you will be notified. I do random drop. Probably the next giveaway will be 2K, so we're trying to get there. Keep it pushing. We're gonna keep driving. One other thing, the spotlight will be on True Kicks. Go check him out, True Kicks. I will put it in this vid and in the description. Good brother, go check him out. I think he has a very, very underrated channel. Now, enough of my gibberish. Let's jump right into this review. And these are not a personal pick up for myself. These are for my daughter. I probably just wait on mine. A lot of people have mixed reviews on this shoe, but you know me, I love the silhouette, so they will be added to the collection. Please believe me. We got a little bit of daylight left. This video probably won't drop till tomorrow. As you can see, a size 7 Air Jordan 4 Retro, official colorway, white, black, bright crimson. Suggested retail price $190. Them things or things, but I won it in the raffle at the Navy Exchange. Had that little scratch. It got these things for $140. So not too bad, especially when you have to worry about that tax. Inside, you got all that nice red, all that good stuff. You got your paper raper, all of that. Put this in, make it all nice like so. And you already know what time it is. Gotta slam it on that box. Gonna get one, gonna go to Uno Slam today. Look at the side of that ass shot there. This is gonna be shout out to the Small Feet gang with this shoe here. Check it out. Up close and personal. Now let's flip that thing on its side. As you can see, you got your pop-out stars. You got your herringbone traction here and here. You got your mini me jump man. Citron kind of look pinkish though, but the light is bright enough here. A lot of people don't like this rankle, whatever type material, this off-white material. This is on the Pure Money. People getting all nuts over here. But like I said, this material is, I wore my Pure Money forward yesterday. You actually can see it on that shoe. So for those of you who have to go back and check it out, there's also on my turbo green ones is where I like that shoe. You know, I don't like too many ones. You got the netting system here. You got your waffle cone eyelets here. You got your white laces coming up with your stitched tongue with your supersized jump man. He got a little hump in the back. You see that? My hump. That's kind of funny. I don't know about them hands though. See that? Look at that. He got a lot of little extra fingers going on. We'll know. Maybe he needed more for Sky. And then, so the stitching here is okay. Then across us, you got more of that citron and that pink. Nothing spectacular on the laces. And yes, I know I'll be doing the on feet. Catch up on the on feet. I got a lot of on feet to do. Coming around on the side. I don't know, a lot of people don't like these scriggly lines, look like paint art or whatever they want to do, look like lightning strike or whatever it is they were trying to do. But like I said, it'll be worth it for the low. You got this gray hits here. You got your air unit there. Get up close and personal on the stitching. Doesn't look too bad. Turn it around on the butt. Then we zoom right on in with our meats. Not bad. Do this on the back. That's all G. Now you come around on the medial side. See here, yeah, scriggly, kind of rough actually. Reminds me of bowling when I used to do it, a bowling ball type material here. Y'all remember back in the day, people have bowling ball paint job. I may be showing my age, but yeah, that's what this remind me of. You got it here on the waffle with the shoelaces as well. Take this out. Size 7 that you can see inside. Nice black Jumpman with the tree. And always on the fours, you got the upside down Air Jordan. Production date. Can you see the production date on these joints? Production date. Let's get in now. Focus. I guess it ain't gonna focus when you got enough light, but you get the drift. So as we bag it up, let's see what we get here on the litty lit meter. Nothing spectacular, but it is a 4. I'm a little bit partial. We'll go odd, really odd number. 4.33 out of 5. We get a 4.33 out of 5. Nothing great. I give them kudos, I guess, for trying something different. But just because of a 4, I'm gonna grab it for the low. But other than that, wrong answer. So with that being said, like I said, go check all them out. I am that dude. Check out the homie True Kicks. Also go subscribe to my partners in crime, PM Kicks, trying to get him up to 1K. We're also trying to get Sister 313 Retro Queen up to 1K as well. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for all the love and support. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll get ready for season 2 of Who Has the Heat. They got some other stuff coming along. We'll keep you posted. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.